So how do we make $10,000 using the KISS method to wholesale this house here? This house was listed for $150,000. The final number that was accepted was $57,500. They took a $92,500 discount. Most people say that would never happen. The only way that happens is the offer has to be made. Yes, you're going to get a ton of rejections in the beginning. That's expected. The follow-up is where the money is going to be made, not you following up, the agent following up with you. Across from this property, since I'm zooming in on it, is a former hospital. You here in Birmingham, you know it is Caraway Hospital. And they're tearing it down and they're building an amphitheater, a retail shopping center, I think, and some multifamily in there also. But as you can see, this house is tore up from the floor up, right? It needs a ton of work, like a ton of work. This is a total rehab. How does that bathroom look for you? Wouldn't you like to take a bath in that tub? So anyway, the way the numbers broke out on it is that they were asking $150,000. According to the KISS method, he should have offered $60,000, but he actually offered $45,000 for it, which I'm glad he did. And so I told him to go up no higher than 50. The agent told me he had an offer at 55. So I told him, say, hey, tell him 57,500. They agreed to it. Boom, got it under contract. The issue with this property is it's air property. Long story short, it ended up being, I thought it was 15, but according to the wholesaler, ended up being 17 people had to sign off on this house to make this deal work. I gave up on it. I've never pulled off a deal with that number of people needing to sign off on a property or whatever. So I gave up on it. But, you know, they were going through the motions and yeah, we closed it. So the final number is that the buyer paid $10,000 more. So he paid $67,500. So our wholesale fee was $10,000. We had it under contract for $57,500 with the owner, wholesaled it for $67,500. The guy that purchased the property, which is actually a friend of mine, but he owns, a lot of real estate, mostly rental. He owns multifamily and rental houses and a couple of commercial properties also. He's going to turn it into a rental. The opportunity only existed because the offer was made. Yes, using the KISS method, you're going to get a lot of rejections, a lot of crazy responses from agents. That's expected that you're going to get those crazy responses from agents. So when you get those crazy responses from agents, some of them are going to do something that's going to totally surprise you 3 to 4 weeks later. And they're going to call you back saying, hey, Mr. Taylor, are you still interested in that property? Even though they acted crazy before. Guess what? You're the only one that's made an offer on it. This is the fastest way that won't cost you anything to get started, to start making offers. I can't guarantee someone's success, but what I can guarantee is if you don't make any offers, you're guaranteed not to make a deal happen. A deal is not going to close. You're not going to get paid. So with the KISS method, it allows you to be able to make offers, to actually start to generating leads. And I would love to partner with you. Just like my man reached out here, he partnered with me. I just got a teeny beat off the deal. But anyway, I was glad to oblige. Just like when a wholesaler brings a deal to a flipper, that's money that just literally fell out of the sky. For me, it was money literally fell out of the sky that I normally do anyway. So the purpose of this video was to show you the KISS action in full motion. They were asking $150,000 and took a $92,500 haircut, if my math is correct. You can do the same. The only way this is going to happen is you got to start putting offers in. You can put a lot of offers in. We made it very, very easy to do that. Use the KISS method, and it doesn't cost you anything to start. Now, eventually, my two Zomps is going to probably have a fee on it. Right now. It's still free as the date of this video. If you text the word SMART to 205-964-5243, it's going to take you over to the actual KISS training. Dive into the training. It's only about 33 minutes long. As soon as you stop watching that video, you can literally start to generating leads and starting to make actual offers. Again, I can guarantee you one thing. If you're not making offers, you can sit there and twiddle your thumbs and watch all these videos from me and whoever else. But if you're not making offers, you're not going to do any deals. I can guarantee that. I can't guarantee you're going to do a deal, but I can guarantee you're not going to do a deal if you're not making offers. So again, text SMART to 205-964-5243. Thanks, and I will see you on the flip side.
Flip man, it's the flip man. You want some money in your hand? Flipping houses without credit or your cash. Get that bag.